This BOSCH barrel grip jigsaw kit provides a tool with an upgraded upfront soft grip area. It has the smallest circumference in its class, thanks to the innovative Precision Control 2 double roller system. It has outstanding cut accuracy, which minimizes blade deflection. Woodworkers and kitchen and bath installers are among the many user groups that will appreciate the best-in-class 7.2 amp motor and variable speed control. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Built with an aluminum gearbox with an insulated cover. This jigsaw comes with a counterbalancing mechanism for low vibration and constant response circuitry for consistent speed under load. It has a large die-cast aluminum footplate with tool-free adjustment for fast and easy bevel adjustment. It also has LED lighting, a dust blower for max cut line visibility, and a toolless blade change system. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Comfort and control. This has an upfront soft grip area and the smallest barrel grip area circumference on the market. Users have control over cutting because of the upfront grip. The saw has 7.2 amps, constant response circuitry for consistent speed under load, and a variable speed dial. Number 2. Cut precision. This jigsaw has the Precision Control 2 double roller system, which minimizes blade deflection for cut precision. The laterally self-adjusting guidance system has rollers that fine-tune themselves to different blade thickness. The second roller helps to minimize blade flexing. Number 3. Designed for durability. This tool features an aluminum gearbox and a large die-cast aluminum footplate that includes tool-free adjustment for fast and easy bevel adjustments. The multidirectional blade clamp provides a superior grip of T-shank blades. Number 4. Convenience. This has bright LED and a blower for visibility of the cut line. The one-touch system allows for one-handed blade insertion and lever blade ejection, so there is no need to touch a hot blade. And its counterbalancing mechanism yields low vibration strokes for smooth operation, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.